So it's close to being set. We just installed the wheels all around, dialed the right height. We had to add a few spacers in there just to make sure that it didn't bottom out. But so far it looks great. Take a look at the edge of that wheel. First you gotta drive it before you dial it.
We're gonna try to sneak that in every upload now. All right, it's a couple days later, and we still have a lot of progress to make on the E30 project, but it's not a big deal. We still have a little bit of time. We have a list back there to follow. We'll go ahead and give you guys a quick look as to what we have on that list. There. So we've done the 5-lug swap. We've done the coilover install, and we've got to do, it says oil cooler install, but we're actually not going to do that. We're actually just choosing to fix the lines. That's the main reason why we wanted to upgrade, but we don't really need to upgrade. We're not using any forced induction. We're not really using a crazy tune. It's a stock tune. It just doesn't deliver extra heat. So we're just gonna fix the lines. And actually, I think that's what we're gonna do first. So let's take care of that now. Oh, and this is Shorts. This is our shop cat. He keeps this place safe, free of crime. Shorts Metallic is his name. So if you guys spot him in future videos, leave a comment down below as to what your favorite part about Shorts is. Anyway, let's do it. So this dash 10 line fits the piping, the plumbing for the oil cooler. This is great news because we didn't have to do anything really. We just have to now cut the other end off the flexible line that's on there, the one that's leaking, and join them together, throw some nice hose clamps on there so that they stay nice and snug, and that's it, leak solved. All right guys, another big milestone we're trying to accomplish in this video is actually wrapping the dash. So my brother here has already started a good chunk of it.
It's gonna be a little bit of work, but I think we can restore this dash. Maybe not to its original German glory, but with some, American ingenuity, it's gonna, at least last another 100 years.
At least.
At least.
Awesome.
But as my brother's saying, we're knocking down these cracks so that we can either fill it with some Bondo or some foam. Also, we're knocking down the areas where the vinyl has become really brittle. So like this area, and you can easily, you'll be able, if you own an E30, you know which area is like completely sun-baked, because if you push down like this area, it just cracks like an eggshell. So hopefully we can restore it. I think we're gonna be able to restore it. We're gonna try some new techniques. We browsed online what some other people are doing. When you watch this video, let us know what you think. Maybe the techniques that we're gonna use will be a little bit more efficient and maybe you can take on the project.
Or honestly, maybe they're not. Maybe somebody out there has done 100 of these and can let us know what an easier way to do this is. Or if you don't want to give up the keys to the castle, let us know where we can learn it, because we're really interested in restoring these for our own cars, because at least I think more than half of our cars all have cracked dashes. I think with the exception of my brother's E39s and his M3, right? Which I hope don't have cracked dashes.
E34,
yeah.
E34.
The E34's cracked?
No.
It's not?
No.
Okay, it's not cracked yet.
So you guys might be wondering what we're doing. So this 20-plus-year-old foam is really like powdery, and the moment that we dug in there, it just started like falling apart. Before we fill our crack, we got to make sure that that foam is not gonna like keep disintegrating. So we're just kind of like I guess what we're doing, we're
melting the surface.
Melting the surface of it, so it creates a bondable surface with whatever we fill it with.
We've been hard at work. Actually, not even me, my brother. He's been hard at work getting the setup for the dash, and it's been pretty daunting, I'd say, and I'm not even doing much.
Yeah, so we're kind of pioneering. This is, well, you've watched some videos and I haven't, and I think that's the challenge for me, because I want to try this out without any previous influence. I'm relying on some instinct, my artistic skills, I guess, just Imagineering. Anyway, so yeah, we're trying to wrap this dashboard, and I've made this contraption to stretch the vinyl. This is my second attempt. Not embarrassed to say so. We got plenty of vinyl to give it a second shot. You guys can see my
first attempt here.
Faux pas over there, which is okay. I don't care. I'll give it another shot. Before you become an expert, you're a pioneer, and once you're an expert, you get to do it nicely.
And I've said this once and I'll say it again, and I'll probably say it a lot more in future videos. We're always learning here, and we're not ashamed to make mistakes. As long as we can afford to make these mistakes, I think we'll forever just want to keep trying new things.